Hi, this is Cliff. I'm sure most of you have seen how to make a time-lapse panning device out of an egg timer, and they've used special little timers, and they've taken them apart and all this kind of stuff to make them work. I found a really neat little timer at World Market, an egg timer, and we're going to make it into a time-lapse device for your GoPro. It's pretty simple. You don't have to take it apart at all. They have these little, it looks like a telephoto lens, and it's, I don't know who, Gamma Go or whoever it is, you might be able to find them at other places. I found it at World Market. They're a little pricey, they're 14 bucks, but I'm sure eventually they'll be on sale, that whole bunch of them. And basically it just looks like a telephoto lens, except it's an egg timer. Perfect for your panning device for a GoPro on your time lapse. What you need is this, your egg timer, a flat stick-on GoPro mount, some super glue. These are called T-nuts. You get a 1/4 by 20, and it's got these little prongs on them. I don't know if you can see them. Those need to come off. So you need just some needle nose pliers, and you grab them. I put the thing in a vise so I could secure it down, and you just bend it back and forth until it comes off. So you do that for all of them. Here's all the little points, and then you file it down so everything's nice and flat. I filed along this edge. So you end up with the T-nut without all the little points on it. So you stick this on the top, and I've already stuck that on there. And so that's ready to go. It does have lots of little edges, and it has the name of a fake telephoto lens, but if you stick it on there really good, really well, and let it set for quite a while, it's a pretty strong device. And this isn't a mount that's going to be put under a lot of stress. And then the bottom has a hole, and I've been trying to figure out different ways to do this, and I found this thing probably is going to be the best, because it does have an access screw in the bottom to take the timer apart if you ever have to ever do that, which you probably never will. But anyway, this little T-nut thing fits right in that hole, like it's made for it. So all you have to do is take a little super glue, and this is the kind that works on plastic as well as metal. It's not the cheapest super glue, it's one notch above it. Some of them won't work on some of the plastic. It's also a gel, so it'll be a little bit thicker. And what I'll do is I'll glue this down so that screw will still be available, and then I'll probably feather it around the edges. So I'm going to do that now. See what happens. Yeah, we'll just let it dry and see what it looks like when it's done.